What's up guys, Andrew from Some Guy with Tools here. Today we're taking a look at the brand new Milwaukee M12 FUEL 3/8 inch high speed ratchet kit. This is part number 2567-22. Included in the kit is of course the 2567-20 3/8 ratchet, two 12 volt 2.0 amp hour batteries, a charger, and a carrying bag. Let's get it opened up and take a look. Alright guys, here it is, the 2567-20 Milwaukee FUEL M12 3/8 high-speed ratchet, two 2.0 amp hour 12 volt batteries, and the charger. Let's put it to some use and check it out. I want to point out a couple of great features about this, things that I love. You've got a trigger guard right here, a trigger lock. So this switch right here in front of the paddle prevents it from activating, triggering, and draining your battery while you throw it in your tool bag. Flip that switch forward, you're ready to go. Ultra bright LED pointed directly at your socket, right to your work area. Super easy functionality. Going in forward, flip it once, going in reverse, flip it back, you're ready to go. Four bright light LED battery life indicators right there. Another awesome thing about this compared to the previous M12 FUEL version of this ratchet, one of everybody's chief complaints was the head size. So here's a Weehaw 3/8 inch ratchet. Check out that head size. It is exactly the same, if not smaller, than the 3/8 inch standard ratchet is. You're going to be able to have full access to any kind of tight spaces that you would with a normal ratchet. Let's run a couple of nuts down and see how it does. Best part about it, once the nuts all the way run down, you can still take it by hand, wrench on it some more. You can even do the same thing in reverse. Break it free, use the ratchet back to run it right back off. Put it back into forwards, flip it to reverse, take it right back off. So there you have it guys, the Milwaukee M12 FUEL high-speed 3/8 inch ratchet, part number 2567-20. If you have any questions or things you want to see it tested against or tested with, worked on, let me know in the comments below, and be sure to like and subscribe and hit me back on the next one. I appreciate you guys checking it out. One other thing that Milwaukee was kind enough to send over is the protective boot. They offer one model which will fit both the 3/8 and the 1/4 inch high-speed ratchets. This is part number 49-16-2567. This is the protective boot for the head. Let's open her up real quick and throw it on. There you have it. Molded rubber. Pop your socket off. This guy's just going to slip right over the head. Nice tight fit. And there you have it. That's going to keep you protected, save your investment from any unnecessary wear and tear. Fits both the 1/4 inch and 3/8 inch versions. Thanks guys.